Okay, so I have a Word doc here that I'm going to use to show you how to save in my OneDrive cloud. So let me go ahead and do that. And as you notice, I have a OneDrive for work and one for personal. So I'm going to attempt to put it there. And I'll go ahead and save it. Okay, so I went ahead and saved it to my OneDrive. If I needed to have somebody else work on this with me, I can share this document and I can invite people here. Okay, so it could be someone at work, or I could, if they needed to work on something with me, I could just send it to them and invite them. I can send a message and I can allow them to edit. That's what it says right here, that I can allow them to edit. Another way that I can share is to have the document here, and I go here and also share it with somebody. I can do it through an email, or I can send it as an attachment also. So those are the different ways that I can do that. Some of the other folders that I have here, I just have blank documents there. I have a place for my EGCI 5300 class that I took. This is for this class. I already have something in there. The plagiarism assignment that we had to complete. I also have something for pictures here. I just started working on this OneDrive, so I don't have too much in there. This is a personal, the one that you don't want to share. If you want to make anything that's public, you can add it on this one here and it'll be easy to share.